And welcome back to Casual Fridays. How you doing? Welcome everybody. We are selling off in the pre-market here. Again, we're kind of hunting that level that I've been talking about on the SPY for a little bit. Let's see if we hit it. 431.73 is the level that I'm going to be watching the most closely today to see if we respect it or if we're just going to blast right through and knife. The last time that we came to this level, remember, this is a big daily level from back in August of 2022, big resistance level. So we broke it. Let's see if it's going to use it as new support. If it does, that could be an interesting move back to the upside. But if it breaks it, market's not going to be having any fun. So let's see what happens. I mean, we've already sold off about 0.75% here. Nvidia's down 1.25%. AMD's down about 1. Tessie's down basically 1.75%. TLT ripping up though. So that's a little bit of an interesting move. People are buying bonds here, flying a little bit to safety, which is weird in my opinion. I mean, the market is due for a little bit of a pullback, but like a flight to safety, I don't know about that. So we will see what happens going into today. But welcome back to Fuck Around and Find Out Friday, team. Make sure that you guys slap the shit out of the like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algo. Yeah, TLT got the morning wood. Yeah, it did. Let's see. Good morning, team. Spy puts overnight. Let's see how it goes. Oh, you're gonna be having some fun. You're gonna be having some fun at open. You are definitely going to be having some fun at open, man. But remember, guys, on the QR code on the screen, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. Make sure that you guys are using code GAINS hopping in. And remember, next week is the last chance that you guys have to get Masterclass at the super, super low price before the significant price increase. So, again, make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that opportunity before it is too late. Good morning, everybody. How are we doing? Friday. We got 29 minutes until the ding ding. Let's have a good day, huh? I haven't really seen anything crazy on Twitter. Well, I mean, aside from the other brain deadness that I see on Twitter, I haven't seen anything useful on Twitter. Let's see. I'm looking. I don't see anything. I don't see anything coming through the news feed. I can check the news feed really quick. Yeah, no, nothing. Nothing. Also, this whole Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk fight thing, Zuck is going to spark him. I don't think you guys realize it is not going to be fair. Zuck will spark Elon. It's not even close. Unless Elon has in secret been training for years, which his physical shape would not suggest that. Zuck's got him by a mile, dude. By a mile. Unless Elon can somehow just like throw a left hook somewhere and just haymaker him in the face, and Zuckerberg just sits there like a deer in the headlights and goes dead. Like I don't see Elon beating him. But let's see. Who knows? Let's see. You're red on Palantir and it feels bad. Why would it feel bad if you're looking at the company in terms of like a 5 to 10 year perspective? Do you know how many times I saw AMD go from like fucking 60 to 20 to like all those numbers? Did I freak out? No, don't care. You think I freaked out when my Mara position went up 150% and then back down to break even and maybe even a little bit red before it went up 1200%? No. You have to figure out what your thesis is, and that's the thesis that you go with, and have things change. No. Okay, cool. AMD crazy returns too. Dude, I love AMD. Morning Vic's been away for a while. Clicking on the alerts now takes me to an incomplete chart or something. Yeah. You have to, Eric, you have to connect your platform account to TradingView. So reach out to either Hot Potato or Diana, and they're going to help you able to do that. Zuck sucks? I don't think Zuck sucks. Well, I mean, in terms of like the censorship and all that stuff, yeah. And how he tried to change the name of his company, and I will still call it Facebook because I'm not going to call your silly VR company Meta. I think that's dumb. You cannot convince me that I'm not going to call it Meta. That's just stupid. It's Facebook. Let's see. Elon will have a Tesla bot fighting his place. I don't know about that, man. You post your theory and shoot the shit. Interesting. I'll take a look at that. Neuralink enhancement. Yeah, but that's PEDs, bro. You can't be PED in it. People go crazy. People are gonna go crazy when we release new Pythagoras. It has some really badass logic in it now. Guys, I'm telling you, you guys have seen the results in the live chats every single day. If you're not at least getting your 1 month free to trade1348.com, I mean, you are destined for failure. You think you're gonna go in these other rooms and just like follow other people's trades and have success? Oh. Oh, do I have some news for you? Let's see. But yeah, man. I mean, again, when new Pythagoras comes out, it's probably going to get released to Masterclass first. Just new product, new thing coming in. But yeah, make sure you guys are hopping into Masterclass before the end of the next week because those prices are going up. I mean, SPY's trying to come back a little bit here, but this is just a 3-minute rim. I think with where we are right now, we easily could see that 431.73 test today. It's not out of the question. Elon has a flamethrower. Well, they're not going to let him bring that in the cage. I hope you realize that. Driving to your first job, showing your coworker SV's awesome energy. I could settle it down and then talk like a loser and then not have any energy. How would you guys like that? Is FRCB a glitch? Probably, but I don't know what that is. What is FRCB? First Republic Bank? What do you mean? Is it a glitch? It's just death. It's fucking done. It's delayed data. It's on the OTC now because it's a pile of garbage. It's penny stock. Why are you fucking around with penny stocks? That doesn't make any sense. You think Invictus is fire after the upgrade? Wait till you try Pythagoras out swinging. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I might play with Invictus a little bit today. I do like swinging, though. Swinging is fun. All right, 2 likes away from 50. Holy shit, it's a Friday, and you guys are going nuts on the like button already. Appreciate it, team. Let's do it. Let's have a good day, huh? Let's see what we got. Trade some futures, trade some options, make some money, and then fuck off. I think I'm going to the playground this weekend, but I'm not paying. It's up 5,000%. It's probably a glitch. I didn't have to pay the lot. Well, I mean, I'm paying, but like not like how you think it is. Also, I walked into so the playground has a dress code, like a strict dress code. Not for me. There's like no hats. And then I wore a hat and a hoodie because it was raining. But also the hat was a playground hat. It's my financial irresponsibility hat, this one. And they were just like, yeah, whatever, go in. They were like, I was like, can I come in? They're like, yeah, go for it. The cover's like fucking $40 to $60, which I will never pay. That's just silly. Just walk in, have fun. I could tell you a little funny story about what I did at the playground last time I was there. I was literally just walking in because I was bored, and I was like, this sounds fun to go watch lights and music and smoke machines everywhere. That sounds like a good thing to do. But like I know everybody, which is the funny thing there. Like most of the people that work there, I know. So like I'll just walk in, and then like it's just like being at home. So like the way it's set up is like there's DJ and then like stage tables, and like a few of the girls that I know were working at one of the stage tables. So like I walk up to the stage table, and like if somebody, this is the thing, like if somebody was just like randomly walking up to like one of mine, I'd be like, what do you do? Fuck off. What is this? But when the people that work there come over running and screaming that are like, oh my God, hi, how you doing? They all look at you like, who the fuck is this dude? And I'm like, I was just coming to say hi. I don't want to, I'm just saying hi. I'm not doing anything. And like the security guard that I know is like waving me over. Work hard, team. Work hard, do good shit, and have fun. But I think I'm going back this weekend. Somebody's birthday. Basically, I was a promoter this week. They're like, hey, can you help me out with my birthday and like help me get up there? I was like, yeah, I can definitely do that. I was like, fuck, I should have gotten paid for this. Damn. You want to go to the playground? You'd probably have some fun, Lori. So there's 2 main things why I like the playground. 1, you can sit down. 2, they have single stall bathrooms. So like if I need to go to the bathroom, I can do it. And they're nice, like, because that's usually during like going out time is bathroom time usually. So like I need somewhere to go. All right, let's see. Did I tell you about what they tried to do on my birthday with like the champagne deal? Have I told you guys that story? I mean, it's pre-market. We're gonna have nothing going on right now. Did I tell you what they tried to get me to do? when I was just like, just hammered out of my mind. I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I told you guys this story. The champagne deal, that was just not a deal. I mean, it was, but like it was still not like good enough to where it's like it wasn't like one of those buy one get one free Uber Eats deals. I'll put it like that. They called you poor. They didn't call me that. They were just like, darn, I couldn't convince him to spend like normal people's great salary on champagne. And I was like, yeah, bro, I'm not. No. I was like, well, what are you, insane? They're like, oh, yeah, it's usually like, what, like, I was like, Jesus Christ. Then I proceeded to order different champagne. Do I still have this? Where's my fucking, hold on. Hold on. Where's my face? I thought I had my face right here. It's like not here. That's unfortunate. I have the sign with my face on it. All right. Well, enough of that shit. Let's make some money today so we can do fun shit like that. All right. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way. And even though you guys are doing good, still slacking. Meanwhile, it was a $4 ball outside playground walls. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, they make so much money there. Oh, this is another fun idea that I had. So in Southie, there's a bank, but it's like an old like stone building, but there's not a bank there anymore. It's for sale. The building is for sale. So I had the great idea of trying to buy it and then making it into a club and calling it the bank. And it would be epic because you can't hear it. It's a stone building. You're not going to hear anything outside of it. It's the only problem I had was zoning. That's better than my Ligers business idea. The Ligers one is going to take a lot of effort. The turning a bank into a nightlife venue is a little bit more like politically correct than breeding Ligers and having a zoo, and then you know what comes next. All right. Let's see. How much time we got left? 18 minutes to go until the ding ding. Let's see. Yeah, I think I've told you guys that story of the discounted bottle that was not discounted. Well, it wasn't. It was going to be like 4 of them. And I was like, first of all, no. Second of all, absolutely not. Let's see. AMD. Tessie, TLT. What do we got? Why the fuck is Bullard speaking at 5 in the morning? Bro, go to bed. But we do have S&P, Flash US Services and Manufacturing PMI coming out at 9:45 a.m. So watch out for that. 9:45, we're going to get a data release, team. Be aware of that. ES Light Strategy did finally bump you out. Yeah, what? Like 8, 9, 10 points? I mean, that would have been here. I mean, I can look at it on ES. What would it have been? It would have been, okay, so basically like 4390 around there. What was the entry on it? If I'm being, yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. You see, you got like 13 points total out of that one. Jesus, dude. Yeah, I like this ES strategy. I was playing with it yesterday though, and I need to, like, you hit, the big ones are huge, but then you just, like, there are instances where it's just like chop. So I'm trying to figure out what's gonna, I mean, it could just be after big moves. So I would maybe like I need something for like mean reversions. I believe Bollinger Bands would do it, but I don't want to be overlaying Bollinger Bands on this shit. Like, because I would do it after a large aggressive move, but then the other thing is that they can happen without large aggressive moves either. So it's like, And then my ES strategy is pretty fucking nuts too. So I don't know. The trade that I took on it yesterday were pretty good. 4402 to 4395. Why were you at 4395? It didn't even hit 4395. It didn't even hit that, buddy. That's got to be wrong. That's got to be a typo. Because if I look at it on the 1 minute, the 1 minute is taking you out at the height here, 4392. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll play with it a little today. Ideally, here's what I would want to see. I don't want it. I mean, it might traffic light up in here, but I probably wouldn't take it. I want it down here at the SPY at 43173. Then traffic light and start moving back up, because that move will have a lot of meat on the bone to the upside if it actually shows some respect of that level. Yeah, 4390.5. Yeah. That's what it was. So that's a gem. That's like fucking 13 points. Good shit. The vault just opened up near me in an old bank. It's a cool swanky restaurant, bank themed cocktail bar vault and so. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. Like, I could make it a whole thing and have it be cool. But I would also need probably like lots of millions of dollars, not just like a few, to buy it and then renovate it. So like, I'm not really going to be doing that. So then I'd have to deal with a lot of bullshit, you know? Yeah, but Ralph, that's a gem. What are the okay? So I was trying to figure this out this morning, because I would probably trade those pre-market moves too. So like the intraday margin on Ninja is 500 for ES, but I know it. I'm 99% sure that it's different outside of market hours, but I can't find what it is. So like I don't want to accidentally start buying shit, and then it's like an accidental like if I go for like a bajillion contracts and I don't want to like accidentally full port or something. You know, I mean, technically the risk is the same, but like, I'd rather not, you know. Nancy slipping, SPY doing its thing here. Let's see. The 30-second, it would have saved 2 points. Yeah, but the problem is that if you switch to the 30-second, then it would have taken you out earlier as well. Like if you were looking at it like this, it would have probably gotten you in here, which would have sucked. So like after this move, yeah, you could use that, but I think 3 minute, 1 minute's the way to go. Catch those big moves. Catch those big moves. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Remember, last chance to get into Masterclass is by basically the end of next week. Actually, it might even be sooner than that. With where we are right now, let's see. Yeah. Oh, we are a week away. Next Friday is the last day that you guys have to upgrade to Masterclass before the price increase. You're cutting it close. You're cutting it close, team. Let's see. Morning, SV and team. What up, pal? How you doing? All right, guys. We are cruising this morning. Cruising. Let's have a good day, huh? Let's have a good day. AMD levels. How about we have some manners, okay? How about we don't run into the live chat and just go AMD levels? How about, hey, can you please tell me what the AMD levels are? How about that? How about that? I'm not your hoe, okay? It's 108 though. This is what it is. To the downside, it's 108. Or it's like 108.50 or something. That's where the gap is. SPY's not looking too hot here. Let's see. SV is my hoe. No, actually. That's not the case. Moto. No. Bad. All right, let's see. Bro, I just like woke up, like showered and didn't do anything to my hair, threw a hat on, we're ready to go. Ready to crank today. I might fucking play some SPX today. A little scalpy scalp, you know? You have the ankle pics to prove it? Fucking everybody has the ankle pictures at this point. Yeah, I got nothing on the news feed. We are going to be getting some pretty big data at 9:45, so be aware of that. That is I mean, I wouldn't say 1,000%, but it's very likely to move markets around a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Helps get some more people in here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. And make sure you guys are watching that Palantir video. That's a good one. I mean, I told you guys that thing's most likely coming down in that video. So I'll probably make an update video to that one this weekend. Have it out for you guys next week. That'll be a fun one for you. Carry glitch candle sparked you? How? If it's a glitch candle, it's not real. It's not actually shown in the order books. You should be fine. TLT just cruising here. Okay, so it's 108.91 on AMD. Okay. Always appreciate videos. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. Hopefully you guys are learning. Pay attention to pay a premium. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple AMD levels. IWM's going to need some air soon. Dude, IWM's probably getting, like, touched by the you-know-what. Oh, my, yeah, down 1.5% on the pre-market here. Jesus. You got 108.50 here that you could play with. All right. How much time we got? 9 minutes? All right. Let's see what we get here. But then he said everyone has an ankle picks. That's a hoe. Fuck, bro. Don't be so rude. Come on. That's not very nice. Oh, also, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok, Short the VIX1. We got a lot of awesome content coming out there for you guys. You do not want to miss that. We're posting there every single day. Every single day, multiple videos for you guys, learning tips and tricks for trading, market updates, things like that. Make sure that you guys are over there. Instagram and TikTok, Short the VIX1. Let's see. I still love you, bro. I'm not jealous. I think you are of my ankles. I think you are. I think you might be. I think you might be jealous of my ankles. It's fine. You can be jealous of them. It's okay. Your first 3 weeks full time, and I'm up 3.1%. Fucking love it. Best decision ever. Fuck yeah, skid mark. Dude, we have people that are turned into full-time traders. Millionaires. Good work, team. Again, that millionaire member interview is linked in the description here. Make sure that you guys are checking that one out. Moto. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. You guys are slacking. We are 12 away from 100. Who is going to be the lucky number? Let's see what we get today. 7 minutes to go until the ding ding. Charge point. I have not looked at this thing in forever. It's at 7. Oh, fuck. That's not a bad ball. No, this thing is just breaking low. Ooh, Ralph. We get a weekly traffic light on charge point. I would not hate it. I mean, it sucks right now. Like, this thing would have to make a nice move back up. But I do not hate that. This thing's just breaking. Nvidia looking weak. Everything's looking weak right now. Look at this. Nvidia down 1.4. AMD down 1.24. Tesla down 2. Like, SPY down almost 1% right now. 0.8. Could be just what buyers wanted to get in. Yeah, I mean, Palantir is right where I wanted to grab some shares on it. So let's see. I might have to make that phone call today or Monday. Have them buy some shit for me. Oh, SV been away for some time, and I wasn't going to say anything, but I'm just too damn excited at this point. Only one red day this month and up almost 100%. Fuck yeah, Boric. That is amazing, dude. Congratulations, man. There you go, bro. There you go. 1348 cross on the Bitcoin weekly chart. It's only happened 3 times ever, and each time it brought the crypto bull run. Really? Bro, I'm telling you, like what we have here for you guys is so absolutely epic on the weekly. Let's see where we can find the crosses. Nah, I mean, it's happened more than 3 times. There's one right here. There's 2. Are you talking about 3? Okay, that's fair. So it is 3. So boom, you get this nice move here from 4 to, whoa, that's big. I mean, you got this. Whoa, 7 to 64. Then you got the put signal bringing you down. Then you got the call signal. Bro, that's Bitcoin's up right now. Where's Riot? Riot was setting up similar to Mara, but didn't get the move. No, Riot's down. Where's Mara? I mean, I sold my Mara contracts for over. Yeah, I mean, I almost top ticked it. I sold my Maras for like the rest of my position at over 1,000%. I think it was at like 1150, 1100%. I think is where I sold my Mara position this week. That was pretty epic. That was a great trade, dude. 3 times is crazy. You're up 158% since June 1st, running at a 93.8% win rate. You're taking today off, but here lurking. Guys, this is just awesome. Congratulations. I love seeing you guys win. Again, I'll throw the link for you guys in the live chat. For those of you guys still sitting on the sidelines, use code GAINZ, GAINZ to hop in there. The QR code's on the screen as well. But yeah, I mean, again, you guys have until the end of next week to hop into Masterclass. If you don't do that, I mean, the amount of additional learnings that you get in there are absolutely insane. So it's your choice. But I'm so happy that you guys are printing so much. It's unbelievable. I mean, what did you guys expect? We've been teaching you guys, doing this for over a year and a half. We've made millionaires. We've seen a lot of people have success. I cannot wait to do another millionaire member interview with you guys. It's going to be epic. It's been over a year to get consistent. I'm a stubborn son of a bitch. There you go. There you go, man. But that's awesome that you finally made it. All right, let's see. All right, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Help get these streams out to more people. Let's make some money today. Nancy getting hammered. 3 minutes to go until the ding ding. ES consolidating here at the lows on the 1 minute. Let's see. I mean, let's see what happens. Oh, Nancy back up. Do we have any big levels on Tessie here on like the daily, the 4 hour? What do we got? We got a nice bounce off the 13 yesterday. Nah, it doesn't look great. ES new low. Let's see. Let's see. But yeah, all of you guys that are in Masterclass, let the live chat know. I mean, I know we got a lot of you guys in here. Let us know what you guys have thought of Masterclass so far. Drop a little note in the comments here. Just show the other people. I mean, again, I can tell you that it's probably the best decision that you're going to make with all the new learnings that you get. You get to watch Gabe live trade every single day with a delay because it's not meant for follow trading. You get to have my midweek masterclasses with the live interactive learning curriculum, the Sunday masterclasses, the new charts, the new indicators, the new tools. And we get to take things a little bit further with you guys, but let the people know. I mean, I can sit here and say it's the best thing ever, but those of you guys that have been in there having a lot of success, which is the vast majority of you, let the people know what they're getting. Let's see. No Masterclass say. I don't know where Gabe is. I was texting him this morning. I haven't heard anything back. Where can you find the link to Masterclass? So you either reach out to Diana in Market Talk and say, hey, I would like to join, upgrade to Masterclass, and she'll help you. Or you go into your subscriptions area of platform, which is trade1348.com, and then you click Get Master, and you are all good to go. You have until the end of next week before the prices go up. Masterclass helped me out big time. Just FYI, everyone. Fuck yeah, Boric. There you go. Masterclass is priceless. Thank you, team. Let's see. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Let's see. Let's see here. Common time to expiration you get contracts at? It depends on what I'm doing. It always depends on what I'm doing. If it's SPY, it's usually 1 or 2 days out. I could trade next week's. Like it really depends on what my thesis is. If it's a day trade, I'm getting closer times. If it's looking for a swing, I'm always getting way more time. Tessie with some movement here. Hello. AMD with a nice little move there as well. Let's see. Lulu. There you go. Lulu did it. That's nice. All right. Let's see what we get here. AMD with some nice movement there. Mara tried. SPY not having any fun here, though. Not having any fun here. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's do it. Let's see. Tassie looks interesting here. Let's see. All right, what do we got here? Let's see. AMD had a traffic light down. Yeah, it did. UPS 4-hour lights paying off. Trade 1348 for the win again. Yeah, dude, as usual. SPY trying to do a little something here. Daily level 431.75 on the SPY. Yeah, if you paid attention to my Twitter or my announcements, yeah, I was tweeting that out. Let's see what we get here. AMD sharks right back down. Spy, hello. Stressla, what's Stressla doing? Stressla's trying to get above this 3-minute 200 EMA here and traffic light to the upside. You just got to see what it wants to do. If this knifes through these lows here, spaghetti. Oh, that's not going to be good for anybody. It's trying to hold 260. It's not doing very well, though. LRCX. If it's a penny stock, I'm going to be really upset at you. Oh, no. What's this? I mean, this thing's got low volume. This chain, I've never really heard of this. Lamb Research. Whoa. Tessie. Yeah, this is probably not something you want to trade. Whoa, Tessie. Wait, what? Hold on. No, I think that's chill. This traffic light on the SPY could be interesting here. Stressel is just fucking around. AMD holding, NVIDIA not doing. Where's the 200 on the 3-minute here? 261.67. They're really trying to hold 260 here on Tessie. SPY's moving around. No, they're letting this slip. They're letting that slip. Let's see. All right, where's TLT? All right, let's see here. All right, guys. AMD fucking around. Nothing. I don't like anything about this. If SPY gets a 3-minute traffic light up, that could get interesting, but I just don't know if it's going to do that. We do have data in 6 minutes, too. Okay, let's see. Huh. Let's see what we get here. The VIX is up 6%. That's interesting. Tessie's slipping hard. AMD coming down. Let's see what SPY wants to do. Let's see if they crack this thing or if they just let this thing ride. It's got a lot of room up to this 200 here. Huh. Consolidating on the 5-minute, waiting for direction. Yeah, it's probably going to be the data candles. So in 4 minutes, it's probably going to be the data candles that fuck around with it a little. Tessie not having any fun. AMD coming down. NVIDIA coming down. Where you guys are saying Baba. What's up with Baba? Baba sharking. It's getting back into the zone on the daily. That's the weekly. It's getting back into the zone. I like this range for Baba. So keep an eye on Baba over the next few days here. ES is looking for a traffic light. Same thing with the SPY. So same deal. It's hunting for this traffic light here. Okay. Here it comes down. It's not getting that light. Here she goes. Watch 433. Watch 433 if they break this. Nope. Buyer stepped up. CCL? On what time frame? What are you looking at it for? What time frame? I need time frames and everything, guys. Also, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. Let's see. SPY opened under the 13 today on the daily. Yeah. Yeah, and ES, if you break 4387, you might slip a little. Which is this right here on the SPY. It's this low. 433. So 1 minute until data, 30 seconds actually until flash services and manufacturing PMI data is going to come out. So let's see how the market's going to react off of that and then see where it wants to go going forward. I don't really like much here. I really don't. Well, like, what is there to like about what the SPY is doing right now? Nothing. It's just teetering. Bob, a nice move down. Yeah, it did. 2.5. I mean, I would look for this thing to continue selling maybe into the lower end of this little range that we've got here and then daily traffic light back up. What's interesting about this is that you were able on this previous run, you were able to break this previous high. Because the problem that I have with Bob is, look, you come into this zone, you rip. You come into this zone, you rip, but it's not breaking this high, not breaking this high. Now you've broken this high. That's pretty interesting. You come down into this level, this 82, and you start to kind of move back up. That could get interesting. SPY, little shark there. Nothing crazy, though. There's the data candle. Let's see what this data actually comes out as being. I don't see it on the feed yet. In a minute, we will, though. Let's see if SPY gets this crack right around to the lows. Yeah, that looks like it wants to do it. They going to order fill? They going to order fill? Let's see. Nope. I'm just playing with something here. This is not the time that I usually trade, so this is all on the silly fun demo account. I'll trade live at 10 for ES. If they buy this up here, that's going to get interesting. I still haven't seen the data yet. Those of you guys that have the data feeds, have you seen it? If you had a 431 put bought yesterday for Monday expiration, would you trust holding over the weekend? If you have to ask that question, you know the answer. Right? If you have to ask the question, you know the answer. Oh, shit. Hold on. Let's see. Cool. SPY. I want it down. I really do want it down here. I really do. I just don't know if we're going to be able to get there. Services PMI slight beat. Manufacturing PMI was 46.3 versus the 48.5 consensus. All right. Thank you. Thank you. I just haven't seen it come through the feed. Which is strange. It's like everybody's taking the day off today. What's going on? Tesla getting a 4-hour traffic light? Yeah, but you're right at these levels on the SPY where it could easily bounce off of. I'd be careful. And you've sold 3% today. I'd be very, very, very careful with that. Could it continue lower? Yeah, absolutely. All right. This is nothing here. Global composite PMI miss, but not dramatic. All right. Thank you. Ralph, are you getting this off the terminal? Because I don't see it coming through any of my news feeds, which is weird. They usually have everything. Look at this consolidation, dude. What's the volume today? Nothing. Nothing. Let's see. Yeah, we're about 19 likes away from 150 as well. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Remember, you guys have that QR code on the screen for you. Everybody gets their first month free. And last day to join Masterclass at the low price, end of next week. So make sure you guys are hopping in before that's too late, man. Maybe Ralph is Bloomberg. Ralph is not Bloomberg. Manufacturing PMI more concerning miss. All right, thank you. Thank you. What were you saying? Intel? What's this on the 3-minute? Oh, whoa there. I mean, you got a retest of the 48 that you could have played, but that's risky. This thing just went nuclear. Here comes SPY. I want it down at those levels, dude. What a morning. What up, Cootie? How you doing, buddy? Let's see. Just being, I want to see this level down here, 431.73. That's what I want to see. Because until that happens, the market could just easily fuck around in these ranges here. I mean, I could trade ES if I see something good, but in terms of options trades, I really want to see it down here first. Tesla, where are you going? Tesla's going bye-bye. Where's like Rivian? Dying. Ooh. Rivian getting mollywopped here. How's this look on the daily? Oh, terrible. It's hunting a weekly traffic light, though. It's hunting. Let's see. How's this look on the 1? Okay. Ooh. Hello. All right, let's see. Coin getting slapped makes sense. Took the 3-minute light down on Apple, took your profits. Good shit. Good shit. Those 3-minute lights are epic, dude. Those 3-minute lights are really epic. Let's see. If we get a 3-minute traffic light up on the SPY, I wouldn't hate it. Mainly because we failed to make a new low. Right here, RSI is looking decent. MACD's looking to flip. You were thigh gapping into oblivion way back in the pre-market. I wouldn't hate it. Tyler, are you talking about the heat map? Just type in heat map. It's on either FinViz or TradingView has them. So, but then if this comes down and makes new lows, then I'd really be waiting for this, is what I'm looking at. So if you can get a traffic light here, I would like that just because it failed to make this low off of this data candle. But if it can't and then comes down and makes new lows, I'm going to look even closer at this 431.73. Nancy slipping. AMD starting to try and make a move back up here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. SPY, there she goes a little. There we go, UNH. There we go, UNH. All right. Scalped AMD for 10%. Going to throw a stop at break even. That was just traffic light. Or no, that was just thigh gap. So going to leave that there, see what happens. If it wants to give me a jump, which I think it's just going to, yeah, that's out right there. So easy. Easy little bit of money there. Can it continue? Yeah, but I scalped it like through this. So scale it at the 13. Same little thigh gap thesis that I always have. And they were 0 days. So tiny position just for fun. Just in and out. In and out. Bro, SPY hates its life right now. Did you assume the rotation to safety like I did? Yup. And if you look at the chart, it was looking decent. I don't know how it looks now, but 4 hour it looks kind of epic here. If you can break this 200 at 484.35, that would be pretty nuts. pretty nuts. You're hunting a 3-minute traffic light on ES here. You're hunting one. I mean, you have a 1-minute traffic light here, but I wouldn't trust that with this chop. I'd wait for the 3. Just 673 days left for your interview. There you go. That was a 3-minute thigh gap. Yeah, I was in that trade for a minute and a half. 116% on Tesla puts. Good shit. You're in the long dated ones. Mine are not long dated. So we'll see what happens with them. No, Spy didn't like it. AMD. Oh, look at that run to the 48 there. I'm hunting something. I am hunting right now. I'm looking to I'm trying to get more data, if that makes sense. I'm trying to get more data, more candles to see where this thing wants to go. ES really doesn't want a 3-minute traffic light here. Hold on. And we go a little. Yeah, there goes AMD. So that could have been a better one, but I'll take my 10% and run. You think I give a shit? No. How's Cosm look? Like a piece of garbage, bro. Why are we talking about penny stock bullshit companies? Carefully. Why? Cosm? Really? Why are you trying to hit lottery tickets? It's a $3 stock. It's bullshit. Please stop. Again, you're going to think that's just me being an asshole? No. That is me trying to save you from making very, very stupid decisions in the market that you didn't have to make. Nancy slipping, Tessie getting killed. Seriously, dude. Come on. Let's be smart about what we're doing in the market here. Yeah, let's go for penny stock biotech. No. That's insane behavior. This is just chopping around doing fucking nothing. All right. Minute to go until 10. You're about to get that. It's trying to traffic light now. There it goes. UNH not having any fun. There it goes. Nope. Dude, it's so close to a traffic light. Jesus. So close. All right, we're 8 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Oh, that's interesting. Here comes the breakout. No, it's trying. It's trying. Let's see what we got here. You download a Ninja Trader? Yeah, see, I can't even download Ninja Trader. That's one of my main issues right now. I can't even fucking download it. Let's see here. Oh, it's taking away that traffic light here. That is interesting. Let's see. All right. Dude, this is shot bullshit is what this is. Don't like any of this. How do you trade on the website? Yeah. Yeah, website. Huh. Okay. New candle. Let's see where this wants to go. Oh, well, like, seriously, what are they trying to do here? I mean, it looks like they want to try to push it up through. Ralph, we might get another one of these traffic lights. If it can break this 48, that could be fun. No, struggling at that 3-minute 48 there. Oh. Nancy trying, AMD getting fucked. Tassie looks interesting, though. How's this look on the 5-minute? It's not thigh gapping yet on the 5, but it is cooked. Here we go. No, come on. Come on. If you're going to do it, just do it. Fucking Nike that shit. All right, let's see. Why is Ninja Trader better on the website? I don't know. I don't know. It just kind of is. All right, here comes the SPY. It's trying to break these highs. Like, you're just trying to get through these wicks right here. Like, you can see it on the 3-minute right here with it, like this traffic light candle. It's just trying to get up through there. It looks like it wants it, but we'll see. Yeah, there it goes. Ready?
Order filled.
Order filled. Oh, are they going to stop fill me right here? Right at break even? That's kind of annoying. Yeah, look, yeah. There they go. How does that make any sense? Any hope for NVAX? No, because just based on your statement there, hope. No hope. There is no hope in the stock market. Do not hope that things come back in your favor. If you made a bad investment, okay, here's another thing that you guys should all do. If you're going to buy a stock, you better have some good analysis behind why you're buying the stock. The second thing is yeah, you're going to have your analysis for why you're buying the stock, but once you buy it, you should create a short thesis, because if you have that short thesis, you're going to understand if these things start to happen with that company, then it's time to get the fuck out. Does that make sense? This just looks horrendous. This price action is terrible. I mean, like, you kind of sort of have something here, but it just looks terrible. Look for reasons to not take the trade. Yeah. Was that the sound of it filling the order, or someone just announcing it over your shoulder? No, that was a sell order. That was a sell order. I don't trust this market right now, dude. I don't see anything that I really like. Yeah, you got this 3-minute traffic light, and there you go, a little. Market made its move in pre-market today. That's what it looks like right here. Intel's still climbing. Well, if it's going in one direction, that means that you would not like. You're gonna buy this right here. Oh yeah. Watch what happens. Buy right here. See what happens. See what happens. Went from 32 to 33, $1.24 up. See what happens up here. See what happens to you. Guy, come on now. Let's be smart. Tessie looks a bit interesting here on the 5. Starting to get there. AMD looking all right. SPY looking decent. Let's all right, and then we're gonna do this. Cool. SPY getting going there a little bit. Let's see if this can carry through these highs. Buyers are fighting. You were up 20%, 30% on your port with SPY puts, but ended up getting 20%. That's still epic, bro. That's still epic. Maybe we don't see that level come down here on the SPY today. Maybe we don't get that. It's moving, though. She's moving. Tessie trying to get above this 3-minute 13 here. If it can do that, it might be able to have some fun. But I don't know if it's going to have the juice. Let's see. Apple's moving. I don't really trade Apple. It's a slow mover. But yeah. Oh, whoa. Apple. There we go. Tessie's doing its best. I don't know. It needs this clean shoot and break because this thing could easily knife right back down through the lows, especially if SPY doesn't hold here. Apple's still going. SPY trying to hold. AMD running up to the 3-minute 200. Is it now? Oh, AMD. There you go. Here it comes back down. Nope. Bought up. Trying to hold 256. Let's ES is hunting to give it to me. It's just not there yet. Nope. Come on. Do something. AMD shooting. It filled the gap and then ripped. There you go. Tesla knifing. Let's see. Gabe just posted? Yeah, I saw that. All right, guys. Keep slapping that like on the way in. Here we go. No. Fuck you. This market's bullshit. It's not that it's just not giving me the entry signal. It's not giving me shit. Like, it's not giving me what I need to see. It's so close every time. It's like, nope, fuck you. And it's like, come on, bro. Let me play. It's not letting me play. Let's see. Come on, stock market. Give me something. Double Dutch? Yeah. Hmm. Here we go. Is this going to be another break? It's trying. It is trying to break. Let's see. Ugh. Now up 29.6% on the port for the day and definitely walking away out of settled cash. Good shit, winning loser, you fucking animal. Good job, buddy. Many crosses and only 2 alerts. It's probably too close to detect them. Everything's kind of wound up. What is Invictus saying though today? What does it got? Coca-Cola down, DraftKings up, Uber. Okay. It's been like 3 alerts. Just give it time. Coin news candle. Oh boy. I wouldn't say that's in this. This would be the news candle. I don't know what it did, but yeah, coin coming back to the upside there. Is Mara moving too? Because Bitcoin was up a little bit. Yeah, here goes Mara again. Here goes Mara. That's interesting. You got this nice little 3-minute traffic light here down at 1180. You drilled it here. Those of you guys that aren't trading with the traffic lights, I don't know what you're doing, man. These are epic. Tesla's struggling a little bit, but nothing too insane. SPY trying to break these highs. It's just consolidate. Dude, I want to fucking trade something. It's not giving it to me. Oh. I mean, there was one like little opportunity, but I don't even. Yeah, no, I don't even think that was one. I guess that would have done it, but that's kind of nonsense. You take it, Bitcoin's going to send me the coin news in the DM. All right, thank you. Wins at Supreme Court as ruling reinforces arbitration. Coinbase shares jumped to session high after the court ruling. That's an interesting move there. But Mara's going, wow. There goes Mara. What was the high? 1260, 1290. Wow, we really gemmed that trade. Holy fuck. Tessie trying to get this break. It'd be interesting if it did. Because if Tessie starts going, it can help the SPY out a lot. But Ralph, our 3-minute strategy here, epic, bro. You basically get it from what would you be up right now on the points? If you got it off of the 13, like 6 points. That's still good. 5-6 points. That's still really good. All right. This might just be a slow melt up kind of day. It might just be a little slow melt up kind of day, guys. We'll see though. I mean, if it breaks and traffic lights down, that would be pretty interesting. AMD violent candles? No. This is just fucking around. Losing it on the 1 minute? Yeah. So is SPY here. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what this wants to do. Hmm. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Did you add the what to the ES chart? Not yet. I'm looking at it right now though. I am looking at that because that is interesting. Let's see if SPY can crack this 13 here on the 3 and then continue lower. That would get interesting if it did. Let's see. You're hanging on to this 48 here. Ooh, there it goes. Let's see. Let's see what this wants to do. If they push this through these highs, that could get very interesting. I sold it a little. Let's see. Ooh, That's some selling coming in there. That is some selling. Let's see what they want to do with this. Here it goes a little. There's that 13. You need that clean break of the 3-minute 13 here. If it does, I mean, you could get a nice clear cut move down after this little run up. We'll see though. Let's see. Tessie new lows. Ooh, Tessie, look at that shark candle. Oh boy, look at that. Yeah, SPY would have to break here. It looks like it wants to. Yeah, it didn't get a new candle there. But let's see what this wants to do. Let's see if this knife candle comes. It's hunting for it. This is where a potential knife candle would usually show up. So we'll see if it happens. We will see if it happens. $433.50 is going to be pretty big. Here it comes down a little more. There. Oh, here comes a little. If they can get that. Nope. They didn't get that. They tried. They tried there. They were met with some buyers. New 1-minute candle. They are trying to hold this 13 here. Let's see what happens. What would do that? What would it do for Tesla if SPY knife below 431? It would not be fun. Just letting you know. It would not be a fun time for Tessie. But Tessie just ripped there. So look at this. Ripped right back up. Hard. I don't know. SPY looks like it wants to do it. We'll see. You got a minute left on this candle. Do I live on the 3? I live on all time frames. I use all time frames. New 1-minute candle. What's really going to set it off is that fucking death candle below this 13 if it does it. Because this right now is a little bit iffy to the long side just because of how much it's moved. There is some meat on the bone down, and I would love to come and see this 431.73. I don't think we're going to get all the way there. We could, but that's kind of what I'm looking for, that potential knife down below. Now, Tessie rallied up here, which is helping the SPY hold on. See? Tessie rallying up like this is helping the SPY hold on. So, look, it's not breaking yet. New 1-minute candle. That's a new 3-minute candle as well. They couldn't do it. Here it comes back up. What did this hit? 45? Okay. Yeah, Tassie's pushing the SPY up. Look. See? Tassie's ripping the SPY up here. This is interesting. On the you know what? What'd you do? I saw the Coinbase stuff. I haven't seen anything else. Hmm. They're still looking for that crack. They're unable to push it through these highs, and it just keeps getting aggressively sold into. I mean, the move through this could be really aggressive right to that 200. So let's see. Yeah, here it goes. Oh, there it is. Ah, there you go. Nice little. Are you using that as a scale out point or a full exit? I would use it as a scale out point, and then the full exit would be at the 1 minute. That's how I would look at it. Yeah, it's just we're just fucking around, Tyler, with like some future stuff. Because if you look at traffic lights and where they move, most of the time, if another one comes, it's going to happen at a higher or lower price in the direction that which you're trading. So with ES, it doesn't matter. Theta is not going to kill you. There is no theta, so the price is the price. So SPY little slippage here. ES, in order to really sell, you would need to break like 43.90 basically. That's some big selling volume coming in here. But Tessie's coming. Tessie's helping the SPY here. $2.2% on the port. Not going to mess around anymore on Fuck Around and Find Out Friday. Later, fam. Stock Nurse. There you go, pal. Congratulations, everybody. Remember, QR code's on the screen. Get your first month free to trade1348.com with code GAINS. And next week, the end of next week, is your last chance to hop into Masterclass before the prices significantly go up. So if you guys are interested in taking your trading to the next level, make sure you guys do that before the end of next week. Tessie lost it a little there. I don't know. If Tessie knifes, SPY's going to go, spaghetti-o. Another solid 9% on the port for the day. Thank you, STV and 1348. Have a good weekend, all. Andrew Anthony, you too, pal. You too, buddy. Everything just seems so like it's not really moving around all that much. Like it's after this little run, you've just been chop, 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 chop with no clear direction here. So let's see. The wicking action at the you know what? Yeah, I know where it is on the chart, but yeah, it's just wicking there. I mean, you could also say it's wicking right at these highs. It's just getting sold into. The sellers, they see it coming up. They're pushing it right back down. Let's see. All right. One minute would have kept us in the trade, though. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the 1 minute keeps you in. It's just tight, bro. Look at this. It's so tight here. Ooh. Oh, no. All right. Moving down a little. It's got to break this it's got to get a candle close below this 13 in order for it to continue to sell. And then you've got those couple levels down there that you got to break if this thing's going to come to the downside. But it's if it's going to do it, it's probably going to be quick and aggressive. That's kind of how I see this. Like you can see the buyers are pretty weak. Like they can't push it above the high. The sellers are whacking it right down. So if the buyers lose it, the sellers are going to take over and go blam and just kill it. That's how I see this. But it's chopping around doing nothing right now. So if you were to pick either direction, it's relatively 50-50. Wicking at nearly your exact exit based on the 1 minute in the pre-market. Yeah, that's the one thing I hate about ES where like it'll hit your level, but it doesn't fill you because it didn't go through. That's the one thing where I'm like, this fucking thing. Like it'll do it to me sometimes. Like there was a trade, I think on Tuesday, where like I threw a stop 2 ticks in profit, and it literally came down to that 2 ticks, hit it, stopped me out, and then ripped 10 points. And I was like, well, fuck you. You don't do this on my sell orders. You just do it on my stop orders, you asshole. All right, Nancy slipping here. Tessie looking good. Tessie looking really good right now. Hello. Spy's not getting that move, though. Not yet, at least. Right to your order and then reverse. Yeah, it's like, come on, bro. What are we doing here? Yeah, Tessie getting some movement. I like that. Here we go. Is this going to be the one? Or are they going to cuck it? Let's see. Let's see. Here we go, market. Here it goes. Damn, bro. Look at this. Oh, Tessie. There you go, buddy. Spy flashed a 3-minute call signal. Yeah, I saw that. That could not get through. Tessie couldn't get through the 3-minute 48. It's National Hydration Day. Oh, that's pretty interesting. It's yeah, that's what we were saying. Tessie was really helping out the whole market there. You're sipping your liquid IV. You're welcome for that. Getting you on the liquid IV train, buddy. Bro, if Tessie goes green today, like it did yesterday, that would be so fucking epic of the like just the strength that this thing is showing. Like, dude, that would be ridiculous. You got the 3-minute traffic light. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, look at this fucking beast. If it breaks the 48, you could easily see the 200 or at least these levels back in here. So this is getting interesting. I'm up like 10% on some Tessie next week calls off these levels down in here. So that's looking phenomenal. So if it ends up going green, yeah, 11%. That's pretty good. $15 seconds to go. If it gets this candle close above this 48 at 257.68, that could be interesting. Nah, it doesn't want it here. Back above. Let's see. I think it got it. Yeah, open 257.72. Yeah, Ralph, that fucking traffic light here was epic. How many points is that at now? Like 8. It hit a high of almost 10. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, dude. So if you hit both of those down and up, you drilled it, my man. All right, here comes stress law. Let's see if it can get back above 260. That would be really epic if it could. Where is two? Yeah, so 200 EMA basically on the 3. Nope, didn't want it. Hmm. Nothing too crazy, man. Tessie slipping back to 257. Spy's holding though. Dude, this just is like boring today. There's nothing going on. Mara looks good. Where's UNH? Oh, UNH got killed. Flat on the day. It might have the juice. It's just got to get above this 48. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in and make sure that you guys are hopping in for your first month completely free to trade1348.com. The QR code's on the screen. Use code GAINS, and you guys are in there for free for a whole month. And remember, those of you guys that still need to get Masterclass, I mean, the time's running out. You have until the end of the next week to hop in there, and then the price is going up. So, again, you guys get to lock in your price, too, if you get in before the end of next week. There you guys go. Huh, okay. Here's a little bit of initial slippage. Let's see what this wants to do. It's coming down to that previous level, that previous wick. It's the same level. So remember we were saying that break of the high would have been aggressive. The buyers just couldn't hold on to it. Yeah, this is interesting here. Okay. That's a pretty big candle there. To expiration hold. That's what that is. So you just came down, tested the 48 on the 3-minute. Okay. See what we get here. Cool. All right. Again, you got to break that 13. You got to break that 48 coming to the downside if you want to see it slip like that. So we'll see. Tessie not really helping anymore. Got that rejection. It is now coming. It's right at this 13 here. Oh, I'm out of coffee. Oh, shit. That's annoying. Completely out of coffee, bro. Here it comes again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if this is the one. Let's see if this is it. Okay. I'm okay. So I'm short on ES. That hit 5 points in profit. So now my stop is 1 tick in profit. Gonna see what this does. Hunting for 10 points here, which 10 points is basically like this right here. It's like a 433 test. So let's see if this carries through. That's a big ass candle. It would suck if this came and stopped me out at break even, but whatever. Is what it is. I'd love to get some 10 points out of this. I'd love to get 10. Come on. Come on. Really? Really? I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Can't lose, so we'll see what happens with this. I can only win. I can only win. But the win would be tiny. Yeah, there we go a little. $22 seconds for a new 3-minute candle. That would get interesting. That's a giant fuck you candle, though. That was the candle that I was talking about back in here. I thought this candle was going to come back in here, but it didn't. I mean, you were in like super, super low volume. You were teetering at this 13. You were really, really, really close to breaking it. The sellers just decided to say, fuck you back in here. Here comes the volume stepping up. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. New 3-minute candle popping up a little bit. Let's see. Traffic light. I mean, you could always get a retest. It's hunting a traffic light here. We'll see. I want my 10. I want my 10. Tessie's trying to help, but it's not helping enough. 4 for 4 and done for the day. Thanks, 1348 and Masterclass. Dr. Bob, shout out to you, pal. There you go. Yeah, so I don't need that anymore. I just need 438625 is what I need. Well, really 4386, because if it fucks me on the fill, I mean, you guys know. You guys know what ES likes to do to me. Bring it within a tick of 10 points and then just rip it back up. We'll see. Can't lose. Gonna let this trade cook. Just download the new signals. What are those diamonds at the bottom? I believe that's Invictus. Die. 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 Yes. No. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Just die. No. No, no. Just die. Let's see. Ah! I just need one more of these. Not even really. I mean, I don't even need that much. I just need like, yeah, here it comes a little. Come on, get your butt down there. Get your butt down there. Get your butt. I'm going to turn the volume on because this will be a fun one if it hits. Get your butt down there. Come on. Go. Don't be a little hoe, okay? Don't be a little hoe. Just, yeah, that. Do that. Keep doing that. Whatever you just did, do it again. Whatever that was, do it again. No. No. No, come on. Oh, you really gotta be a fucker like that? You really gotta do that? No. Down. Bad. Misbehave, market. You're misbehaving. Get your butt down. Where is it? Where is that level? Oh. Yeah. So it's like here. I need it. So I need that break of 433. I think. All right. That's a new 3-minute candle, new 1-minute candle coming in here as well. I just don't want to see giant fuck you aggressive buying here. That would suck. Because we're so close. We're like 7 points into it. No. Market. Come on. Bloop, bloop. Now would be a great time. Everything's in your favor, sellers. Come on. I know you can do it. You just got to break this. Yeah, this trade could take a little bit too. Come on. Oh, that's not what I wanted to see. That's the opposite of what I wanted to see. That was the exact opposite of what I wanted there. Tessie coming back up. Yep. Okay. Really? Really? I mean, I have a lot of room on this. It's just like, come on, just give me my 10 so I can leave. Tessie shooting. Yeah, I mean, honestly, we kind of need Tesla to die, which kind of sucks for my Tesla call. Oh, come on. But like, if this thing can die a little and then I can get that Tesla move, that'd be sweet. Nope, that's gonna fuck me. Just letting it go. All right, guys, it is 11 in the morning. That is going to wrap it up for me today. Happy fuck around and find out Friday. Don't do anything dumb, please. Remember, make sure that you guys are getting your Masterclass subscription before it is too late. End of next week, remember. If you guys do it before the end of the day today, we will get you in for the Masterclass session coming up this Sunday. And then, yeah, all you guys sitting on the sidelines, make sure you guys are securing your first free month. But team, I will see you guys later. Peace.